Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Dents and Dings, saving clients a lot of money on paintless dent repair for a lot of years, and one of the most positively reviewed businesses of its kind in the country. Congratulations to the owner, David Corson, the Dean of Dent and Ding Repair in Alpharetta, Georgia, and far beyond, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship since 1993. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Dents and Dings. This is really a great American small business success story. David is one of those guys who knew he could do something better back in the day, and he did it. Today, everyone from big car dealerships in this part of Georgia to thousands of past customers have Dents and Dings on speed dial because they know that David is incredibly skilled at removing a dent. He's a master and can literally save a client, in some cases, thousands of dollars compared to a body shop. His shop looks like you could eat off the floor. It's squeaky clean. Dents and Dings can work on anything from very high-end cars to the new aluminum body vehicles. They're certified in aluminum work. They work on Teslas and Fords, which have those tough aluminum bodies to fix. There's a reason why so many Ferrari and Porsche owners come to Dents and Dings. Consistently outstanding work at a very fair price. But at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real customers. Remember, we didn't tell David we were doing this video. We only did so after doing our homework on Dents and Dings. The reviews are fantastic. Customers on multiple credible review sites simply rave about the workmanship, how great David is to deal with, how much money they saved, and the really astounding results. It's pretty amazing how David can make a dented car look brand new again. When we reviewed Dents and Dings in 2019, they were multiple back-to-back Best of Kudzu Award winners. They had hundreds of 5-star reviews online. Simply amazing reviews. You should read them. Congratulations to David of Dents and Dings in Alpharetta, Georgia, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years, the right way. Congratulations, David. You earned it.